Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I want to cancel about the square root so we can use the formula in here. So for this one, we have a minus b. We want to create about a square to cancel about the square root. That means we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one, we have s squared plus 49 minus 25. So this one, the power 2. So this one, we have negative 576. And this number in here, that is about 24 to the power of 2. And now we need to transform this one into this one. So we simplify on numerator and denominator. So I will put number 24 going here and here. So we have the final answer. And that is about 24 over 25. This is the end. Thank you for watching.